Okay, we have a Haas CNC Vertical Machining Center, model TM1P, serial number 1130752. Machine was new in 2016. We're gonna run it for you. Machine's super clean. You have a 10.5 by 47 3/4 inch table. He's running the X-axis right now. Okay, there's 30 inches of X travel. There's 12 inches of Y and 16 inches of Z head travel. This machine comes equipped with whips with a RENISHAW wireless intuitive probing system. It's a very low hour machine. We're going to run the spindle now. The spindle goes up to 6,000 RPM, and it is a Cat 40 spindle. That's 1,700 RPM. (3,000 RPM). All right, we're going to do a tool change. There you go. One more. All right, let's show the hours. There you go. Super low hours. Okay, hey, thank you for watching our video.